Good morning, good morning, good morning. Charnelle and I are up early on this beautiful Sunday morning, March 1st, to shoot for Where's Your Sister. We were going to go on a hike, but plans change, things change. And we decided to come to Coldwater Canyon Park off of Coldwater Canyon in Beverly Hills and try and get some really nice shots in our really cute hiking gear or workout outfits or athletic gear or athleisure gear. I don't know. So
what it is, what it do, what time it is.
I don't know.
There's like this little birdie. I don't know. Oh, left. Well, so much for that. Oh, look who's setting up.
I don't know what I'm doing though.
Oh, okay. Oh, I'm sorry. What did you say? Oh. What did you say, miss? Excuse me, miss.
I'm trying to do a boomerang.
Excuse me, miss. Or boomerang these nuts. Not even in my video. But we need this content.
Oh, she got here out here earlier. Oh, sweet. This is
What? Are you serious? That's fire department. Are you visiting the fire department?
Yes.
No.
Ain't nobody in there anyway. It's the weekend.
Say hi to the people.
Hi, people.
Sissy, what are you doing?
I'm trying to post to what is this, Instagram?
Instagram.
Yeah.
Yeah, we new to this social media stuff. Not really.
No, but not just for the purpose of like being
like
inspirational,
super
and
active,
and fun
yeah,
and stuff like that. So it's a bit different, but it's cool. Like now that we're on the same page, we had like a little discussion yesterday about what
we were on the same page too.
We're always on the same page. We just had to communicate that.
Yeah.
So now that we have communicated that, this is gonna be awesome. So we're gonna go home. Today is Sunday. We're gonna go home and finish planning out like some content for the rest of the month.
Are we gonna make breakfast burritos? I just need to get potatoes.
I have tortillas. I have
and
some
it's the
eggs.
First. We gotta pay rent.
Oh, I do gotta go pay rent.
We gotta pay rent, but I do want breakfast burritos.
Buy a house.
I'm gonna buy a house.
I want breakfast burritos.
I'm gonna buy a house
too,
over here.
But I also want to go to church. Church just started 5 minutes ago. The 9 o'clock service. I want to go to the 11:15 service. So
breakfast burritos or church?
So I don't have much to say. I'm just chilling. How are y'all today? Huh? I think I'm trying to get like more. I can. You know I don't like editing.
But I need you there.
She needs me there to edit, y'all, and I absolutely hate the editing process. Editing photos, editing videos. I don't like any of it. I don't want to say. I'd much rather go to church than sit there and edit. This would be a dope place to have a meetup.
Huh?
This is a dope place to have a meetup.
This could be our first meetup here.
Can't tell the people what we have planned for Where's Your Sister. Some really cool stuff though. We were like having a brainstorming sesh via text yesterday, and we came up with some really cool ideas. So I'm excited for what is in store for Where's Your Sister in the year of 2020. My arm hurts and I can't hold this up much longer though, so I'm out.
Today was fun. It only took an hour. 1 hour.
We only been
to get some. Oh, let's hurry so we don't get hit by a car. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna put this in the trunk. In the back seat. I'm gonna bust her in my new car. In the back seat. In the back seat. In the back. I'm gonna bust her in my new car. In the back seat. In the back seat. We didn't even do that much and we tired.
We did. Oh, look at the bird.
Birdie, come here.
He got a mohawk.
Hey, Birdie.
Okay, come on. We going.
So, it doesn't matter what you look like. If you're out of shape, you're out of shape.
Yeah. Talk to the people, Charnelle. talk to the people.
I'm scared of.
Nothing to be afraid of. If you fall, you're just gonna fall in the bush.
Charnelle,
What?
don't even say that part.
Come on.
How would you say that?
Come on.
Wait. You leave me. Oh, my hand right here.
Come on. I got you. See? This is it. That's it. That's it.
Oh, my hand.
Yes, it is.
Oh, my hand.
My shoes aren't equipped for this right now, so I can't
I'm
rush.
so sorry.
Look, this beautiful view.
That's nice. Now I'm scared.
You're not scared. There's nothing to be afraid of. You're enclosed. What is there to be afraid of? Nothing.
Charmaine, I want you to come back. Wow, Charmaine. See?
It's built in, remember?
Oh, Lord.
I'm trying to get myself.
All for a selfie. This thrill seeker.
You know,
See, I'm a thrill
remember that
seeker
girl that
too.
died, that fell off that building because she was trying to take a selfie?
Yeah, let's
That would
go.
not be my story.
Not today. We still have many stories to make.
You could live in the hut, Charnelle.
Huh?
What am I gonna get sit in Indian style? You know what? Not Indian style.
Okay.
Crisscross applesauce.
Crisscross applesauce?
Yeah.
Crisscross applesauce.
Hey. Let's go because we lost the other person.
Ooh, I want to get a picture of you.
It's so nice out here.
Ooh, give me a picture.
Get a picture of me. Get a picture of me. We made it. We're done.
We made it.
See, we made it out of the Santa Monica Mountains Conservancy Zone Park. Well, I don't know. That's what they call them.
That's
But...
what they call it.
So we can either keep going
No,
or go home.
we can go home.
Okay, we're going home.